for lodge Okeke with the house. It not far. It not reach 30 minutes. It not reach 30 minutes. Can't live with 3 boys. Can't live for house. Can't go do adulterous with Okeke. Now they tell say that they disgrace Bini. If they say that they disgrace Bini women, if they say they can't talk the person when they disgrace Bini women, you are the first person on this social media. She brought disgrace to these Bini people today. Now when they say another Bini person, they disgrace Bini. She brought disgrace. She's not even supposed to say anything. You're not supposed to talk. Anytime when she say these people, they want drag Bini come. When I want Bini, I want to drag Bini come. No need to talk. You just have to keep quiet. But if you talk, because another person must go and analyze your house, and they analyze your own now. Can't leave children for house. I don't know whether she not the bath, my sister. She's so dirty. She's somehow, whether she not the bath, I don't know. You know what they pay now so? Because it Bini matter, they bring disgrace on social media, and I make she they cry so. Today she not say Lizzie na Isha. Lizzie not be a sebe. You don't confirm and say Lizzie na Bini. Before, they not be Bini or the Biesa. They not be Bini or yes I am. That they disgrace themselves. Oh, they say na Isha. Isha person no go feed all the disgrace himself the way one I think the disgrace on herself from January to December. Nice disgrace now na day. After Bini, Isha person just sit down, just the disgrace himself. The time when British Okpaka they disgrace herself that time, and these Bini people now they with them. Now these Bini people now they make British Okpaka today now. That one now don't run for them. I be now he run for them. I be now they run for her. Circulation native daughter say she be follower. Now these people, now that what they say, Mama B, Mama B, Mama B, Mama B. Why they call Mama B? Let Mama B come support her. They fight. The time when they fight that time. Mama B, Mama B, Mama B. And so she do. See I be. I be like somebody when carry Ugiagbe. See, very ugly being. I never see Bini person when he get face like this. Very ugly. The wig when they wear, I don't know where for they see the wig. The wig will just be like Chris Percy wig. If you see room when he day, you don't see room. Agolo. This one cause he say get makeup table. If you not see makeup, as a mama say, you don't see the video, you don't see the DC again. As a mama be get time because before when he day, as a mama say the phone, whether he don't lock, you know if you open the phone again. I forgot as a mama now say, make it help me. Dancing. I don't know where she they see wig. My mind on my wig now. This wig, I don't know. If you can never see this woman will come out say the wig when put for her head, it go be new one. The wig where they wear, the wig be like a spicy wig. See, now they talk. I say, see, storyteller, hypocrites. Your hypocrisy. See where I land you today now. As you do the hypocrisy rich, can't see rich today. Disgrace today. You not call Ishan for this one. Lizzie not be Ishan again. Small one. Where self-love do that day. I don't even bring disgrace, so she can't mention Ishan. This one way can bring, this one way can be saying that the most higher disgrace, 100% disgrace. She can't call Bini. I say, who get the disgrace? Now they go still give her an award. Why you not say Lizzie Naisha? Small one that day when that they say Pella reach palace. Self-love can't be Isha. Na SB. Do not be Bini, na SB. That was self. When Pala reach, that was self not be even be disgrace self. The normal disgrace now get can. The normal award for disgrace for the whole Nigeria as big as Nigeria is. Now bring that disgrace come Bini. If they want to Bini, and all those Bini people they be ashawona. All these Bini people they be ashawona. Una get PhD. Una get masters. Una carry master degree. If you tell these people say come and define prostitute, the only that one they know how to do. They just give them mathematics of say prostitution. Give them mathematics. Then they say found the prostitution. Take this. Use a set exam for them. They go win now. If you use a give the exam. They go carry A1. They go carry A3. A When it comes to school, the F. When it comes to school, say they go school, these people F. The F. Heavy. See now. Disgrace when you be say. What of you? You know they cry all the time. Make your toto when you open, may not come out for this social media. You know they cry. Now this one, this go fuck somebody's wife and husband for Germany. What do you call that girl? Oh, Basel. Ah, boy. Bad Murphy. Bad Murphy. Ah, boy, daddy. Abaselu now. Daddy, Abaselu Zakbere. Mama, you are that's what she did. That's what she did. Oh my God. You know that if Pretty don't go, the way we did it cry, the day when my mom died, she don't cry this like that. Once Pretty go, did they get the two? Wait till they cry. Oh, have you? My back too heavy. You go fuck, you go. If you don't hear Bini, make a translator for now. She come out for our country, she go Germany. She go fuck a married man. Then, the guy now, the guy cannot go another place, go fuck her. You cannot go another place. If the boy fuck and finish, the boy go house. You know the man get wife. If he fuck and finish, he go house. Now, you know what go, can't day. Now he can't come out. The boy, like I said, the boy don't come for 2 days, something like that. He can't go. Now the Bini people, now Bini may can see disgrace. Bini may. Now he can see disgrace and then there's still a bagua and all. Now then disgrace and we take by the Murphy. You know say don't insult a by the Murphy. As he don't reach his disgrace, now he can't see invite a by the Murphy to a disgrace. Now Agbuena, who they beat you? Daddy, Agbere, Daddy, Agbere. Osununa Agbe, Abataluna, What's no go? He was saying, what did they talk? What did they happen talk? Hey, he said, he got my house. The man go fuck and finish, he go come out. The man go sleep outside. He go come there fuck am. They call it the second time, the man don't come house. Because the man get wife. Now so, the man can't leave am for there. To see money take come out, he don't see money. Now one man went, that man went still there that day. She still, me, that man went there that day, 100%. That man still fuck Ivie. Now that man can't help and can't cry, come and say, Ivie don't gog. Say, what don't you body Ivie? He said, make they can't help Ivie. Say, Ivie don't get money for transport. Somebody when leave, Vienna, he don't get money for transport. Transport don't finish. Now, the man call a part the movie come there. That one, I know say that one na record. That one go record. Now part the movie all of them them Destiny Bagua all of them come they come they. The Ghana man where is still carry on. If you see carry the Ghana man enter bedroom, if you see focan. Where they say where they for focan, they say na toilet, now they for focan. You know they say they talk. If I say they cannot way. Now they come say, Baba, toilet on our way. Say, Baba, na toilet. Now for the focan. And the Ghana man for focan. I don't do any warrior. No, what you barely say, name don't spoil. Say these people want to spoil name don't spoil finish. Now, Destiny back out say, pa, be like, pa, the movie with Destiny back, be like, say, at the same time, now they tell you talk and say, I don't even know who talking. He say, your name don't spoil before now. You want to protect your name when it's spoil. Now, so, this one, when still they call they talk to Lizzie. Disgrace. Call they cry.
That's when you say they cry, say she said be prostitute, and she's still proud of it, she's still doing it. So what are you saying? Are you people know?
You now black you think they do your own. Your own prostitute now she still they pay put. Now she still they pay. She they person when you go fuck 3 men before year end. When she still they pay put oh. All your money. She money not they meet money for her account oh. Money not they meet money for her account. Before month go end, you go borrow. You go borrow. They say, but when the time when people throw away, now you can't just such issue. Inside house. Shameless. They know they shave my sister. These people, they don't get shame. They say they don't get shame. By the time when the shame will come, food their body, they'll come, they cry. Now, so, come, they cry. Money, not see 1 euro. They come on for there, you not see. Now, not there. With Sister Meg, now then, can't go break and come for there. Now, Epa the mother say, will you come on for there now? Epa, Epa say, you know they cry, the way is here. Also, no, you say a bag too heavy. The bag went from Vienna, drag, reach Deutschland. He say it's too heavy. Because the prick don't go. We come sit down, say they wait for the prick. See now this one will say it can't be the voice of Benin if something they happen. Is this one not a disgrace to Benin? Only she said she's a bag of disgrace. Now so, my people, now so, if I the movie got tell her say you carry say bag too heavy. Now so they can't do one because no one come out. The prick never satisfied. I don't get money. That boy carry money, carry everything. Now Precious Meg with a no gear. Now then can't go carry her. Can't send money. Can't give her. Do everything after they carry her. They can't put her for Facebook. They can't use until they can't do live video. That day when she Enoge Precious Meg, now shame and disgrace. Now those people come one can cover. They can't carry and come. Now say, disgrace. When I see the total easy Ogbede. You wait if you leave your 3 boys for house. You don't get motherly love. You leave your 3 boys for house. You just go for the sake area. Oh. No be say where you go stay with for hotel now with that boy. No be say he reach 40 minutes. So he not reach 40 minutes. The hotel where he lost put. He tell your husband say they travel for the same city. Now inside the same city 9 day. Your husband confess say he travel out of Austria. You know say na back of his house. Hotel where they back of his house. Now this girl go lodge with Okeke. Now this one. Now he want come talk. Say I'm with dog boto. When be the first person no come with dog boto. When you are looking for the adulterous woman, the first adulterous woman, when the fabric come out for social media, na Ivie, before they come they bring Lolo and Monica. Na Ivie na be the first adulterous woman. Yes, she was the first. Now he opened the road of adultery. When you see that they do live video, that they say Monica an adulterous woman, Lolo an adulterous woman. Now this one I be the number 1. Adulterous. Now this one I be the number 1. It can't disgrace in people. Now this one we dey see so. Now how can this person go talk? Even beneath people, no say if he dey among the Benin's when they bring Benin's to shame for this social media when we do so. I don't know what she's trying to cover or what she's trying to clip off. Or she dey try say, make the shame and disgrace, make it disappear. I don't know how manage when those things want to disappear. Now see, okay. That where matter day, now so. Now I adulterous, yeah. Evil, demonical, about my cash. Devil talk, put for the matter that
I want to speak English for top of this thing again. I take up Bible because the question here is, and she stopped the Ashawo walk when say, she's
a disgrace on somebody that abandoned 3 children. Story.
She not stop. She not stop.
Most of Nigeria, some of Nigeria people, they don't really get it. This one will show.
Una no dey stop. Why stop? Why stop una? Una no dey stop. Why stop? Do you know the worst part of it? These Benin people, they will say when they do blog, now they can't still even disgrace Benin rich. Not be everything when you go just come, una go just carry. No. There is some you say, me I'm not talking for this, may not come bring problem. That video, people will see that video, ignoring that video. Now this Benin people, now they drag people to that video. When they come, they like to they cover up now. Because they just say, easy Ogbede, easy Ogbede, easy Ogbede, they talk on a story now. I don't chop my bread finish. I don't drink Coke. Now the story. Now they disgrace themselves now. Hey, I mean they disgrace themselves, my darling. Because I know.
Let me the leaders they do what they do. At the end of the day, they blame leaders. See all the Nigerian people that single sense they here.
Okay. Okay.
If I carry you come up, I been talk. If I carry you come up, I been talk.
You see now? You see what that they do now? This is a last big disgrace. They still the blogger. They are still doing it. If I bring you come up, talk. Okay, what are they going to talk for this huge of a disgrace? What kind of opinion are they putting? And people when they watch them, now everybody they watch them. Wow, these Benin people when they're abroad, they too bring disgrace to their people. Their disgrace is too much. Too much. It's too much. They will say carry people up. You want open video. Make they come the debate on the matter. You yourself. To a dog bottle. You they drag the Benin to the mode. You want open this show. You want Benin people they come your sisters or your brothers or they come the top for the matter. Una be disgrace to Benin. You not see the disgrace the Benin. You see her? And if you see the people when they carry, they climb up now. Na Benin, no another tribe. Na Benin. Igbo people now no go there. Ishan people now no go there, go talk. Yoruba people no go there, go talk. Igbo people no go there, go talk. All the tribe where they Nigeria, they no go there, go talk. Now this same Benin, now they go still talk. Now they see they disgrace themselves just because of little coins. And they don't even see money, oh. They don't see money. They just bet to the disgrace themselves. They don't see money. Lie. This one now don't disgrace himself, and this one will do like this thing, old owl. Now no owl now. Old Ikpekbugu. So I will do like old Ikpekbugu so. See eyeball. The eyeball don't come out finish for inside his head. Hello, siwa koere. Hello, siwa koere. Oh. Somebody just the pepper on this Lizzie matter since 3 days. What they call the pepper? No, you know what? All of them are pretend that they don't mind them. Now because they themselves not see where they will talk their own. You know why they try now to they say Lizzie they talk? Because they see say their sisters when this something happen to the way when they happen to Lizzie, they see say all of them don't they come out. Now it make them now, but did they pepper them? But did they pepper them? Make una let the girl talk. They say who something they in mind. If you tell her say may he keep her, you go see they don't go get peace. May she talk as una take carry and come, as una take suffer. I will say who carry a con now, no suffer now. You know, come the talk story. Who carry a con, the suffer and I make a con the talk story. Because a lot of the day when people carry con, even they say Benin people, they don't come talk story because who carry the con no suffer there. The one when that they talk some say they go even get belly, they go give the pikin go reach 7 months, they go give the medicine, they go chop her. But the way we una take do una shawo now it horror sha. It horror. It too horror. They say if they come as a virgin, say na their madam boyfriend, na the virgin day. Yeah. Now wow. You can't carry me come. I can't come as a virgin. You can't tell your my darling, these people, the mother go come. Can't tell me say my boyfriend I go virgin me. I go give her to Ogbalegbe. Ogbalegbe go settle me. I know they take nonsense. So Ogbalegbe go settle us. Ogbalegbe go settle us. You know what it's like one person just now. He said they want do one. Now he made they do one. Yeah, so people did that time. If you say you not go do, go Caritas. They will give you document. You go Caritas will give you document. So they wrong, go meet Caritas. They wrong, a lot wrong. So somewhere they not do, they're not stupid, rich like all those one when they do so. They're not stupid, rich like this. So take that one say Oyibo, they make tea, come they give them for road. Can you imagine? Okay, all this story now come they tell now. I don't understand. I tell you, let her talk her story. No, let her talk her story. They say if you talk with it, they basket. If you don't talk and finish, you don't finish be that. I tell you, Okifo. Eh? I don't know why. You know what? Waiting now. He say she they bring disgrace to Bini. And this one now when it be like ow. But this one said be like vulture. This one says she don't already bring disgrace to Bini. This one now so Toto. Prick enter Toto. He carry small prick, he carry big prick. I don't even know how she did they enjoy the Toto. One person will just carry different men. She said Ashawo, she said she dey walk she go free before year go end. She go free reach like 5 men. Okay, my sister you go carry big prick, you go carry small one, you go carry big one. Now some of these men when they fuck her, so when it gets small prick, they will say it Toto too big because they carry big and small. She dey carry big and small. If you call friend Obazalu say it Toto too big. Because as Obazalu no get big prick. You see, as in friend Okeke say as in friend Okeke say her Toto too wide. You see, say her Toto too wide. Because as you see, Okeke no be person when go get big ugbola. No ugbola the day ugbola. As it they carry and I go if you see big ugbola, you go carry. The time we go come carry the small one now, they will say it's too wide. Because you know, just they see big ugbola, they carry, they go. Because not be all men get big ugbola. So get big one, so get medium, so get you know. You know now. Hey, now what? They say Okeke run for the Toto. Now Okeke run for her Toto. Okeke run. Now one guy wait for if you know the year, if you know the social media there, she just knew enter social media. Now she felt big disgrace come for these Benin people. Now she be number one disgrace. If you are talking about adulterous, she's a number one adulterous. Clear. They stamp her O. Her O was stamp. They stamp her O. This one, she go they talk. You know where if they go the road now, maybe people there when they not too know. You know what they worry Benin people. If they see who they say that they fight for them, if the person keep person before, they go cover for her. They go cover for her. Like if you're not supposed to they talk. When he say may they talk about Benin, if you not get opinion to put for Benin matter, everybody know her shame and disgrace for this social media. Okay, which advice this one want give person now? Like this one I want to give advice to women when they take care of their children. All of us, when we enter this social media, our children small. Our children small. Our children don't grow for our eye. 20 years, 21, 23, 24. She don't know how old her children they so. The other day, she come to tell people, say, if you talk, say, you know the shame. You know they take care of your children. You know what? If you want to deceive people, you will say, oh, your children don't marry. If your last one never reach 15 years, if your last one never reach 15 years. But if people come and say, you know the shame, born throw away. And they'll come say, why you not take care of your children? Say, the children won't not even they talk about self. They don't marry. Now lie. Even if your second child self never even reach 21 years. You never reach 21 years. If your second child. But they use that one thing they deceive people. Hey, my children don't big, they don't marry. Count on 15 years old boy don't marry for abroad. You can't use until they deceive herself. She can deceive herself. She can brainwash herself. That make her no better. When she see the truth, she cannot say it. But he go say, now they talk truth pass. If you say truth, you not talk her, your life no go better. Now it be this one also. See, I see, I can't be. See, I see, I be. I don't know where they push in eyeball come on for inside his head. See, this one not suffer for picking. Oh, you don't wake up, say, he can't wake up, oh, Piki can't be 15 years, 12 years. And no, 15 years. 15 years. Most children, they 15 years, they know even want maybe they bath them again. Both boys and girls, they know what want. We take care of our children, oh, till our children come. My last born now 19 years now. 19 years now, my last born be. If I wake up 5 o'clock, I don't wake up sometimes. Even if I don't even quick sleep, once it reach 5 o'clock, I must wake up. Because why? They used to eat. Or every mother they used to eat, not be only me. You know, say when you go set alarm, alarm, before alarm go ring that time, you don't already wake up. All of us, bath children, carry go school. This woman no fit carry children go school. You no fit carry children go school, but now they shout pass. Now they make now they laugh pass. They say they work, can't reach today. Money when they work, they always say before month end, they don't already borrow money. Ordinary €1, €5. This one they borrow, and when you go take buy cigar, they borrow money. Before month go end, the money when before you go end another salary again, you don't already borrow money wait for the salary. This one, when you can't disgrace Bini. Now they cry. She said they talk about say she's a very responsible woman, but she's not responsible. If you don't know her, she's the woman that leave her children at home. She went to go and lodge in the hotel with another man. She left her husband and her 3 children at home. Then she went to lodge herself with a man. And the man is from Benin. Since that they find disgrace. The man, she's from Benin. And the man knew that she's living with her husband and her 3 children. Then later the man came out. The man said that Ivie never told her that she's under a man. She's a married woman. When you see them, when I go see come tomorrow, you go say, he have do. He have disgraced do. Now he make and come they shout because say that they disgrace Bini. Now waiting, she don't start. If you find the #1 adulteress on this social media, she was the one. Now she. Before you know, scatter come day. Because you know if you go commit adultery, you will see one man, you sit down under the same roof with the man.
I have something I want to say.
Okay.
You want to sit down the same roof with the man. The man don't agree. Now basketballs. Even the husband go they fight for one side, her children go they fight for one side. 1 o'clock in the middle of the night, this woman children know they sleep. Sometimes I go call and say, you off video, just your children. I think that they go school tomorrow. When other children, they don't enter bed 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. The children, 1 o'clock in the middle of the night, they go they fight. Now you can say, now they talk. If something happen for Bini go rush, come out. If they rush, where they rush, you can rush. See your life today now. Disgrace. I beg my people, may I check how much
Because
they go?
I've been in the
Because
comment
it is
section
able.
and
Don't reach 2 hours,
this
Mama.
lady, she's a prostitute, she does this, she does that. From my own point of view about the person she is right now, she is somebody who is wounded. If you've ever stayed
No, they're not longer out though. For where? They won't kick her out, my darling. They're not gonna kick her out. Benin people like disgrace. Now this is here, now tell you no say Benin people like disgrace. So Benin people they, if you vary their platform, the one that is honest. When you see Benin person that is honest. You cannot bribe that Benin person with talk. You cannot let the Benin person. You cannot trick the Benin person. You cannot tell Otiema here will be brothers. You want me to go there? You know, you understand me. That Benin person will say lie to lie. Lie to lie. Now then, they know they accept if you just come, if you want to shout, the Benin person, yeah, bring them down, bring Ivie down. Mama Gualo, those are the honest Benin. You see those one when they deceive themselves, that they disgrace themselves with this adulterous woman. When you leave your children for us, I just they under my husband's roof. I don't leave my children for house. I don't go follow man sleep for hotel. I decrease. Man too small when I will disgrace myself for because I get ego. If man they do na I don't like that man again. I go leave the man go. I go day my day. I be the disgrace when this one carry come give Benin. The first Benin woman that commit adultery in a Dosaba space for grant without social media, with social media. Now this woman I feel commit adultery. Now I feel commit adultery. You see her? That is a disgrace when she brought to Benin. Today now, she is crying that Lizzie is saying her story, her experience. I will say as Lizzie they talk her experience, say, una not they carry the video. If you not go viral. There is some things you go see sometimes. You go come on eye. You know they say something happen for Igbo sometimes. People when they say something happen for Igbo land talk, and they know they talk. They know they talk. Yoruba na so. Even for Ishan self, they know they talk. They say something happen for Ishan, they know they talk. They know they talk. Every kingdom, they get some kind quarrel sometimes when they go bring on social media, everybody go talk put. They don't bring it. Why? They don't want to drag their kingdom for erosion. You know what made these people drag their kingdom to the extent today say that they say Bini, if you go here, Bini, if you go here, Bini. Now deceive. Now their forefather deceive, they say now they from Nigeria get land rich abroad. Deceive. I will say that, and they follow you, they argue, Ambo. They are so stupid. They are so naive. Don't they follow you, they argue, and now, Mano, Make. Now, Mike Benin, Yato say, Ewebo. Make Benin, Yato say, Ewebo. They will still be dragging it and say, what kind of ignorant people is this? And they say that from Benin get land rich abroad. If you go to Eviye Chai, United Kingdom, there is a big kingdom there. When you come to Netherlands have a big kingdom. We get big kingdom for here. We get king for here. How can a king from Benin? He go from Benin get land rich a country when he get king already. Their forefather deceived them. You see the deceive when their forefather deceived at that time. If they can't drink alcohol finish, you know, say when they drink alcohol finish, they talk different things, caricature, they were just using it with eye of Akbe, with drunk. Now these people take career, they can't say na truth, say na they true from Benin get land, rich Lagos. Na they true from Benin get land, rich Ishan. Na they true from Benin get land, rich Afema side. Because these people, they will want to put that something, put that for your gun. Now you want person come, He got one blogger. The blogger, who even do that video? He said he don't know why these Benin people, they find people. Now God say, okay, una need population. When you want to use everybody, tell two brothers and sisters. Even if you say you they tell Benin person, I better not be your brothers and sisters. You say after Marie will be brothers and sisters. Get it into your score. Just be brother on your own. Another person go be brother on his own. We be brother, we be brother, we be brother, we be brother. Do you know why they are saying that? In case if they go bring trouble, come for our side, they will come carry on. That time when me with this one, this Bontro will be friend. If I reach the platform that time, you know, say that they saga me I they get bad comments where I'll consider the saga there. Some of them say, make na live Mama Lovely now. Oh, now I tell they say I no be now. Oh, now they come to shout for the comment. They say, hey, Lovely, you not be person at all. You now say I no be now. Oh, you just say ba. Now so I tell them I scattered the platform that day. I scattered the platform. Well, man, I live lovely now. Why not say I no be now? Oh, God forbid. When I don't see better Benin people, just until do my own. Uwana, I ziggy corona. This one when you know they use see mouth, see as the mouth can't be when they suck prick. See as the mouth can't be. You go sit down now, mouth go open down small. Wait till they suck prick. When I don't see mouth, they say can suck prick. Okay, can say it be one cut a prick. Or Basalu say it be one cut a prick. Or what was okay. They say they say if they sleep, no say if he with him don't get down finish now, then the man will come relax say if they sleep. Now inside sleep, the man will come here say if you they suck a prick. It be like saying no can be. Whether no can be or Bazelu. If you want to kill a Bazelu for sleep. If you want to buy or Bazelu for sleep. Or Bazelu say, if they sleep, oh, if you carry a prick, put for mat, it can't they soccer. Or Bazelu say, if you want from there, just go like it don't come. They know you say, no say as the mat can't be. Now that's it, they ask the mat can't be. When did they suck prick? Bazelu sleep with this girl finish. This woman, whether an old woman I don't know. She just old for nothing. She not straight for children. She just old. We want to stretch for children, carry children, go school, bring them, come back, arrange dinner for them, arrange waiting they want carry go school the next day, carry them go bed, arrange inside your house, do everything. We not old rich like this. It will not stress for children. See the way we can't be like old owl. It be like old like boo. See the way we can't be. Now so take care for can finish. When they say Bini not get respect again. Now when they abroad now not get respect. Only you disgrace Benin women for this social media. Where for come Benin? Where for come Benin? Now so Keke don't do something finish. No, Bazelu. Bazelu so free. Do something finish. Don't now rubber for Bazelu put rubber. You go we all wear for. You know how many, rubber Bazelu put. She could have help somebody when get prick. He could have drunk that one prick. condom. Me and I don't want laugh. Person wey get your prick. She called they drag somebody prick. Ona go man on yanka na drag kia. Somebody go say leave my prick now, leave my prick now. Eh? Because they follow get prick, they drag prick. Obasalu go put condom, you go remove her. Obasalu go put condom, you go remove her. You know how many condom Obasalu put? No, Obasalu can say, okay, since you don't want to use condom, you don't want to put on like that, woto. Now Obasalu come like that. As sleep take Obasalu. Now he carry him mouth. He begin to the suck Obasalu. This girl be one key Obasalu. He be one send Obasalu to grave. You know say somebody they sleep. You can't go they suck Ugbola. You know say you feel kill that person like that. Now so, now this woman do when they say ye Eugene do. On a monomaiti Eugene be. You know how many Benin men don't fuck her? You know how many Benin men don't fuck her? You know how many? As I did for abroad rich, you can never see shaman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They will come out, they will say, they friend me. In no day. Horrible. Go say, na shaman, go come out, go say, friend lovely. For in no day. You know how many Benin man this girl don't fuck? You know how many? All the Benin men went to Australia, don't fuck all of them finish. Now shame on those ones, they shame. Oh. Shame. Shame not go let them tell person say they know Ivie. Even the time when police come drive her, come on for house. Police come drive her, come on for house. He can't go carry her where they sleep. If they break, they go come out. He can't go there. Yeah? Morokino when he still meet for there, this girl still fuck there. They call her Zebe. Because they call her Zebe. They call they speak Morokino, they call her Zebe. Now they say he want come talk for Bini. Either they talk of Bini, go come they drag her. Person will bring disgrace to Bini. You see your life? Not they talk put. Anytime something happen for Bini, you go come out, gather your useless Bini people when they follow you, they do this thing. I will come they saga you. I meet you this year. Say something happen. Say one of una carry disgrace come for this social media. Una will be Bini person, especially you. You want bring her come, but una come escalate her. I go the saga, you go enter house. They do normal video. You are not worthy to be a Bini voice. You are a disgrace. You see this video one I do now. Una use to take disgrace on herself. Una use to take disgrace on herself. No comment again. Anytime when you do video, amongst to the analyzer, they disgrace you. They tell people say now you be the disgrace. Now you first bring Bini come disgrace Bini. Not baby with you enter this social media. You don't ever get say what they say now. So then they say lovely stop disgracing Isha. Lovely stop disgracing Isha. How many Isha men you see say they say hey lovely now the Isha ma I go here so you don't ever hear. You don't even hear for Bini. Bini ma go say if friend lovely. You don't hear. As a full social media rich. You don't hear, because you don't respect yourself. Now you want to say, yeah, we be big butter. Lizzie Ogbede will be big butter. Lizzie Ogbede will be no. Now una first start. Una don't ready for. Una don't ready. They will be big butter before Lizzie Ogbede come. Now Lizzie Ogbede look when they do the art. When come the art. I will say the first time woman come and respect Bini. I'm not sure say Lizzie Ogbede will come. Because on an open road. Today now, the woman, she's saying her story. And you people, you want to drive her inside, make no content talking. So, now, disgrace now. The shame now. Disgrace now, the shame now. Where mama na, where now? Hey, go on, no, they talk again. No, they escalate the problem again. I will say these many people know they use until they do like just because of money. Just because of money. They don't even see money. All these many people when they shout, they do social media, they do social media. Hey, amigo. Like this one, I don't shout for how many years. You don't see ordinary taste scent for social media. Or mamie. You don't see. If you see, say, you do something, you go come saga you that day now. You see, say, as a mama, go open your house. You begin to the saga as a mama. Yeah, now they open the road, yeah. Now they open the road. Now they open the road. Yeah. They know the shame. They are going to say they don't get that can. And they don't say the Lizzie Ogbede. They don't go fit stop Lizzie Ogbede. They know say nobody fit stop Lizzie Ogbede. They know. The war is the need of say una want make the disgrace con rap everywhere. No, anytime when I say you take do video, now you are go they talk, not be the rest people when they because you are a disgrace. You are the number one big woman for social media when you commit adultery, broad daylight. Now they commit your adultery, broad daylight. You leave children for us. You dey on that man. As he can't go commit the adultery finish, he can't come house. You know say, you know if he go commit adultery for outside, you still want. Maybe you with the man, they the same roof. Nobody, no man, even this man when he weak, no go feel accept that thing. Now there, problem can't come. This woman, as they do so for social media, now so they do for inside house, so the children will come to fight that time. You know what feel? Go separate the children. Children they fight for inside house, so if you go there, you go there, you go there. Lie. House will come go meet her. Children they fight. You close this thing for where? You see her? Now so this woman do today now. He go say a disgrace when una use una hand take carry con Bini. Now una they fight for. Now disgrace because as Bini they so Oko not de Bini. We never see one day say I wear ikon with Bini na error. If they fight for Bini, they go know how they go take set one for day. But in fact, there been anything, there been even the time of Fulani Esme, all those things, when they rap out for those states. They know the way when they sit at the top put, everywhere go see mehege. But you now for social media, now shame and disgrace. For social media, they rise every day. Percentage they enter every day. But every day, if you don't reach, it be agia. You want to preach of Igbiagia. I will say Igbiagia supposed to, you know, say, man, Lizzie Ogbede now want to do this thing. Want to have novel of Igbiagia. Nobody I thought also say they get PhD for Igbiagia. They may get master degree. Tell Bini person now may come explain something. They know they feel explain something. Or not that thing. Tell them say they can't explain prostitute. They go explain and you will say, now wow, what is this? They get PhD to explain prostitute. Maybe the person just they go now. Just say Ashawo, they go turn back. Ashawo might be their second name. Just say Ashawo, they go come back. If another person they go now, just say Ashawo, they can never answer because why? Not be there. You not see them for there. They not go answer you. When you just say, maybe the person just they go now. If not 5 different city for Nigeria, just they go now. Bini go there inside. Just say, Ashawo, you go just turn. Now maybe they call, now when they call Ashawo, they come say, we. Just say, Ashawo, Bini person, we go most quick and turn. I don't know. He must squeeze the tone. Just say, Ashawo. The new person don't turn man now. Now another tribe when they go together and say, but it not they talk to you now, not be you mentioning name now. And because that person don't know say now their second name be that. You see in our life? You see in our life? Now praise their kingdom now, can't reach where they did so. If they thought there, now we from Benin Girl reach abroad. Now praise all those irrelevant praises that time. When drunkard, they talk that time. Now these people can't grow up meet. They talk. Now then from Benin Girl reach Aunsa land. Now then from Benin, can you imagine one state for Edo State, one state, one place for Edo State. Now one place for Edo State, now you can get all the whole Nigeria. And they say now they get all the whole Nigeria. Now only their community that they speak Benin. Only their community. If you reach Lagos, they know they speak Benin for them. If you reach Ishalan, they know they speak Benin for them. If you reach on one side, they don't speak Benin. Foolishness. When you are looking for the most foolish people, now these Benin people have 9 days. All those one when they disgrace themselves for social media. They are not learned. There is some things you will ignore. They not go ignorant. They will say, they will come talk. They will come talk. They won't come talk truth. When the truth go come, they bring itself out. They will come, they fight themselves. Why now they like to disgrace Benin? Why now they like to disgrace Benin? Now they say they want to come fight for the truth. You know, if you want to come fight for the truth, when the real truth go come out, they go come wrong. You know, say this one they cry now. Why? Wait till you they support the disgrace. One had already put upon herself. Now that said disgrace. When they disgrace themselves today, when everybody know them put. Now that one, now this useless woman, be one break on Ishan side. You won't be Benin woman. And you want bring disgrace con Ishan. No be Ishan woman, I will bring disgrace con Ishan. Benin woman. All the way from Benin, you say they carry disgrace, they go Ishan. Before you go reach Bobahi or Aduwawa, your journey, you go change mind. Now that thing, now she be one do. Now make her today say she dey cry. The advice when I will get for you, when something happen for social media, you don't concern Benin, no they talk again. Because why? Now they put on, make it go viral. I will say Benin people don't talk put now. Even if another person they talk, nobody go listen. As far as they are Benin themselves, they'll consider they debunk themselves.
And she's still doing it. Have you answered my question? You say she's somebody that is wounded, and she's still doing the same thing that wounded her.
That's because she hasn't healed.
My sister, are you kidding me?
Yes, that's because she hasn't healed.
Okay, that's why he continued. Even when God bless her with one small boy, she still continued. God never, she never see he. After she don't go, she don't put one small boy for his house as a husband.
Bless her with a small boy. And most times, most people like her who are really wounded, they want to take revenge. Like sometimes she might just feel, yes, she might just feel.
I don't even know why this woman, she's trying to put opinion on this people issue. The most, delinquent people. You see these people, they are the most delinquent people. These people, they do prostitute, not be only their family and their self, they do prostitute for. They do prostitute for another family. Ask me, which family? May I just keep quiet? No, no, prolong the story. There is no opinion. These people, there is no opinion needed. There is no advice to these people. Because why? They say things when they talk now. They say it be agia. Let me use may I say maybe may I say put small respect. On be say everybody will come just they cast, come they do this casting of say una brought this shame and disgrace to Benin. Come be like everybody they cast and no, it's not good. Let me speak Benin. These people. Let me just forget. They don't cry. Yeah, you can't do prostitute. Yeah, you can't do this. Yeah, you can't do that one. All of the way that they shout now, they do this prostitute though. They didn't do it for only their self. They do it for their family. They do it for their self. They do it for boyfriend. Any boyfriend when they see, if they friend boy for 1 year now they are shower money now they will take care of the boy. The boy will see see another one way they pay pass. Man, let me not just talk. Do you know what? I don't want to talk. Let's forget about it. But when you people continue like this, I think we will come tell una where una sleep. Where una sleep. Yes, we will come tell una say, see how it be. We will just forget. Me, I be person when I don't like to they talk something when be say, they make sense. When be say, you go come they I'll come they go be like say they offend a lot of people. Make we forget that side. Even this is when they talk. If they use black men, then they do prostitute. If they use black men. So they different men. Different men. Then what are you saying? I know. This has story who won't have help. So no, like what you write now. The woman, they are not talking about trafficking again. The trafficking is long time. They have stopped the trafficking for how many years? Talking about trafficking now, it doesn't make sense again. If you like, you carry all the madam come out, it don't make sense again. Because they have stopped trafficking for how many years now? They stop her. So they bring people come abroad. But what we see there, yeah, they carry people, they go another country, not be abroad. Like all those Guinea, Burkina Faso, all those places, they go there. They sponsor themselves, they go there. You see them? All those one when they talk, my darling, they are trying to just cover shit. You know, say, if you sit down now, you say, this shit they smell for you. Even if you dig ground, pack that shit inside, the shit must still they smell. Because when the ground they heat, when the ground they heat, it go they suffocate the shit. The shit go they smell come out. Now it be this their problem.
Revenge. What do you understand that the word revenge?
Okay, please. Okay, let me finish. So
people like the kind of English word that they speak, they baffle me. Me, I don't know this.
No, that was a wounded person who has healed.
I don't even know why Ivie take it personal. Ivie knew that everything that Elizabeth Ogbede is saying is true to them. Because if not be true to them, they're not going to come the Boka. They're not called the Boka. Because they're not true, they say not truth, now I made them one called the Boka. Because they feel say na shame to them. Now I make now then they bring the most largest shame to them. What of if they forget about it? What of if they don't talk about it? Why they'll say, fine, we will not talk about her. Did you think say it go escalate like this? No. These people, they don't bet to the disgrace Bini. They have bet to the disgrace Bini. All those things, all they support when they say that they support so. Now irrelevant. It doesn't make sense. doesn't make sense. Now irrelevant. Even if say people do not believe Lizzie Ogbede. You see these nuisance, these delinquent women here, they have made people to know that what Lizzie Ogbede is saying is fact. That is truth. Now they can make people believe. Because a lot of people will think, oh, maybe she's looking for view, or his content is this, is this. Then they even take it. Okay, now they are saying, why are they pity for her? I wish you people leave the pittiness without not talking about this issue. I think the sleeping dog could have lied without no backing. At the end of the day, now it's like, say, now they back. People, somebody talk a story. People pity for her. Okay, because say people pity for her now, it make you guys get angry. Now call they verse because say people pity for her. Una for just shut up. And now I come with shame. And the people who pity for her, they go still pity for her. If you not like, now I say, Lizzie do this one, Lizzie not do this one, Lizzie do this one, Lizzie not do this one, they are still go to pity for Lizzie. If Lizzie open this thing and say one sit down, people still go there, go wash her. Then what are you trying to defend now? Wait till they try to defend. That her story be that. Everybody gets story. Some people now, they will say, see what their father do there. Some people now say, see what their mother do there. Some people now will say, see what their senior sister do there. Their senior sister suffered the way. Their papa suffered the way. Even they carry them, go give the auntie suffered the way. Some of them will say the time when they stay with the auntie, say their auntie, husband, they sleep with them. A lot. Things happen. Everybody gets story, but now different story. Now they get. Like this story when Lizzie talk now. Maybe some people when Madame Sikare come that time, they will say, my madam not treat me like this, so they will talk like that, say, their madam not treat them like this, so they'll say, that means say your madam wicked though. They'll say their madam not treat me like this, so they'll say, Lizzie, your madam wicked, well. Yes. Now so they be. This life is different people. You can meet people that is ash in nature. You can meet people when we say they get wicked hearts. Nature. Then the girl come, she they talk about herself. Una they debunk her, now una they bring disgrace. I will say as Lizzie talk, nobody, Benin people not come debunk her. You go just talk, you go just go. Una do here, say una no here. When Benin people come interrupt put, now I made this thing come escape. It come full everywhere. When Lizzie talk about the men, how many of you came out when she talk about the men? That the men never support. The men never protect them. How many of you came out? I did a video. I said last year. I said Benin men they don't know how to protect women. They don't even know. They don't protect their own people.